Welcome man, welcome back to the channel guys. Real quick, I'm getting ready to do what one would call AC system service guys. The goal behind this is I am low on Freon, and there's a reason why. Any AC system is low, likely has a leak. Okay, so what I have here is some AC system dye. My goal is to inject this into the AC system so it could circulate throughout the AC system. In the event of a leak, which I highly suspect, this will show up at that point, the point of the leak. Okay, now you have to use some set of black light glasses, and I gotta go get my tool, the flashlight that will show this will glow. All right, I need to get my terminology correct guys, but the best way to find a leak, in my opinion, the sniffers, to me, it's my opinion, that the sniffers don't work that well, guys. So I like to do everything visual. So we upsold AC system service, which will include 1 pound of Freon, which is likely when I'm low, and I'm going to install some AC system dye to help my findings of any potential leaks. Okay, so now I'm going to show y'all how I go by doing this guys. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Okay, what I'm about to do is not recommend it. I'm a film it. Okay, hey, I'm a content creator. I'm all about creating content. Now it's on you to how you dissect what you see on the internet, or YouTube for that matter. Okay, what I'm speaking about, I'm about to install this AC system dye in the non-traditional way. Okay, yes, there is an installation kit you should have. I don't have it. I don't know where mine is. The shop I don't know what a shop's is. So I'm going to employ a JT tactic that I have been employing for the last 2 decades. There's nothing really absolutely wrong with this. It's just an unethical way to do it. People may go, oh my God, just like my buddy Paul Joe, how sensitive he get when he see somebody using a electric drill to remove, mind you, to remove spark plugs. Yes, but he has a sensitive soft spot for electric drills connected to spark plugs. Don't matter if you're removing or replacing them. Now I'm against installing spark plugs with an electric drill, but I see no problem with removing them. But some people are sensitive, and I get that. I understand that. To each his own. This may come off as being sensitive to some people. Some people may go, oh damn, I never thought of it that way. Holy crap. So I don't have a tool either, and when I'm in a hurry, why not do that? And I'm gonna say this guys, it's really recommended to do if you have a machine that has a vacuum pump. Like if you out and about, you ain't gonna be able to get this in anyway, because how I'm installed this is gonna be reliant on vacuum. Okay, so let me do this guys. What I have to do is drain all the Freon out. You can't get on a vacuum with Freon still in the system, right? No, that's virtually impossible. So I'm still hooked up to the machine. Let me recover. Yes, we got to recover all the Freon out of the system. When that's done, I'm gonna put the system under a slight vacuum. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna talk some more after. Let me go grab another tool. When I get back, we'll talk some more guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Recovering process. Yes, I will be, by the time y'all get back, all of these will be at 0. I got to get all the Freon out to do what I'm about to do. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm about to show you a hack I employed a long time ago. Now getting ready to do an AC system service, but I do not have an AC dye injector. Okay, now let me bring this system under a vacuum while I'm talking with y'all. Stop. I'm gonna put it under maybe just 3 minutes. It don't take much. 3-minute vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum down both high and low pressure ports. Enter. Vacuum 3 minute. Enter. Yes. No leak test. Okay, so I can see we're going in a negative. So we're in a vacuum. All right, now let me explain something to y'all. And this is a JT thing. You don't have to do this. Okay, you don't have to criticize this. You can do whatever you like to do. This is a channel of mine. I want to display a hack I employed a long time ago, basically to save time, and basically if you don't have the tool. Okay, I'm under vacuum AC. It's under vacuum now, but it's going to run for 3 minutes. Now let me explain something to you guys. In the event you need to install anything in this AC system while under vacuum, this is almost the best time, because you will essentially suck it in. That's right, you were sucking in. What I'm referring to is, like I have the high side off, vacuum pump still running. I'm essentially sucking from the low side now, but it's connected to the entire system. Here's what I'm gonna do, guys, in order to get this dye inside of here. I'm gonna depress this Schrader valve. I'm gonna pull this in now. The vacuum is gonna pull the dye inside, guys. Remember, guys, my #1 goal is to get this in the AC system. Does it matter how you get it in there? Technically, no. Okay, the goal is to get it in there. How you get it in there is based off your core, I don't know, beliefs, based off what tool you have or how much time you have. This is my thing. Okay. Yes, I tend to do this. I did this a while back. I got criticized. I don't really care. I'm just showing you a different option. This is not wrong. It's not unethical. It's not illegal. It's just another way, guys. All right. So I need a helper. Or a tripod. I wanna. Here's what I typically do. I push that down with a pick. It's gonna go, and it's gonna suck this in. Let me find somebody to hold this camera for me while I do this. Hold tight. All right, guys. So my main goal is just to suck this in. So what I'm gonna do is depress the Schrader valve. As you can see, the vacuum is pulling this dye in. I have no dye injector tube, so I'm gonna create a hack. This is my hack. Now I'm gonna refill this up with pag oil so I can put some oil in there also. All right. Again, guys, the goal is to get it in the system. I don't have a dye injector too, so this is the next best thing. All right. So let me finish this up, guys. All right, guys. Now please understand that is just an option, okay? Because this machine will technically inject the dye. Okay. There's an option that it would give you to inject dye and oil. Okay, I'm using this, or I'm letting you know this as an option if you do not have a machine that would do that. Okay, if you just had gauges and you had a portable external vacuum pump, you can suck in your AC dye using that route. Just suck it in through a line. If in the event you're under a vacuum, okay, now you have to have an external vacuum machine if you do not have an AC machine. All right, so I'm done, guys. Vacuum leak test. No, I'm not gonna. Okay, this is gonna run 1 more minute on the vacuum to get it back on the vacuum, guys. Vacuum is important. You want to remove all the potential moisture in the lines. Okay, I'm not. This is technically not a customer car, so I'm not giving it. It's a relative's car, guys. It's not that I don't care, and if I didn't care and if it appeared reckless, I wouldn't even film it, okay? I'm just showing you options you can go by to your own car. Let's do it like that. All right, because I know it's a lot of sensitive guys out there. Oh my God, you're not doing it the right way. These are just options. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna get back on the vacuum. I'm gonna install, this is a dual setup, 1.8 pounds. And I'm gonna recharge this, and we're gonna be done, guys. I'm gonna have her drive around for a week or so, or drive around to the Freon until your AC stop cooling again, which will basically signal you're out again. You're out of Freon. So if you're out again, chances are you have a leak, and that leak will be found. All right. Let me charge this up. We're gonna go in through the low side. We're gonna put in 1.8. I'm gonna click yes. Low side charge. Yes, it's charging now, guys. See, it started with that vacuum. It's now going in. I will start it up and let the compressor help pull or help suck in the rest of the Freon through the low side. I'm injecting through the low side. You can't install Freon while the car is running with the AC on through the high side. All right. So, matter of fact, I might as well wrap this up, guys. Long as y'all see my objective, long as y'all understand my objective, what I'm doing, you know, it is what it is. That's an option I use. All right. Again, you welcome to do what it is you want to do, or you're welcome to do things your way. I just wanted to display one of my options. Okay, guys. All right, guys. System is charged, fully charged. Yes, my readings is a little totally different from the last time. All right. In fact, it's still charging in progress. I put in 1.8, so I have a little bit ways to go. But I can hear the fan running, signaling yes, potential proper amount of fluid. Freon is installed. I am not complete. Yes, charge 1.8. I did install 1.8. My readings look good. I'm at 250 high side. Fan is on. Line is free. Ooh, that's cold. So guys, I have dye in the system. All they have to do now is ride around till let this AC dye circulate and ride around until the AC no longer works. That will point me in the right direction of the leak, and from there you can repair the leak. I looked this thing over top to bottom. I paid fairly close attention to the condenser. I had it up in the air. We had to do an oil change. I was unable to film that. Paid attention to the lines. I do not see any visual leaks anywhere on the outside plumbing, guys, which leads me to believe it has to be in the evaporator coil. Okay, so what I was told to do was to install some AC dye. Alright, I have AC dye installed. It is running. It has dye installed. I'm supposed to stick this on here. I have a full charge, so we're gonna see what happens in a week or so. If you come back with no AC, that's a good thing. Okay, that means that the leak should be able to easily be found visually. I'm a visual guy. I want to see this stuff visually. Alright guys, let me get out of here. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.